Hey guys, Lavender Rain here, and welcome back to Minecraft Survivor. Today is episode 3, and we are just going to continue with building this lovely first house. So, as you can see, we started to get the shape of the house, and now I think I need hang on. Yeah. And I need to start putting in more of the houses, walls. For some reason I'm not talking right today. Okay, so let's get this done. And soon I'll be able to move my crafting table and chest inside. Which I think I can now. Awesome. So, first I will get outside, use my axe, and bring these indoors. And then I'll work on the stairs, doors, and roof. Okay, so put down the chest. I think this will be the bedroom here. So, put that there, and put everything in it. Okay. And the crafting table. And I need to make some doors. Oops. Oh well, there we go. Now, some nice oak doors. They're not the best, but they're good for starting off. Okay. So now I need to get some more wood for making some stairs. Okay. That should be enough. Probably too much. I'll get some more wood anyway for the roof. Oh, what's down there? Oh, just a dirty waterhole. Okay. Now, oops. Glitch. Seriously? I need to stand up on here. Okay. Now, let's get back up. Yep, I've got all the logs. Okay. I'll get this one here too. Oops, I think I got the mushrooms. Okay, I need to get inside. Yeah, and then I have to cut back that dirt. It's too close to the entrance. Okay, so put those away, and don't know why I said it, but oh well. Crafting table. So this is the recipe for the stairs, which gives you 4. Okay, I'll cut that back. I might be able to make some charcoal today. Being night time. Okay. There and there. Should I put some on the side? I'll test them out. And on here. Yeah, that actually looks pretty good. I might make it wider later on and make it into a mini porch. Okay. I'll have to go out and get some wool for a bed. And just check. Okay, it is on page 4. Game. Okay, now I need to get some logs. Yep, grab that apple at the same time. Okay. And then I'll have to make my own mine underground. Grab these apples. Whoops, I nearly fell down there. Oh, I actually did. Okay. Right. Let's get into... Okay, first I need to put half of that away. And I need to make some more sticks. Oh, that lagged. And now I need to make a shovel. I'll make an extra one as well. You never know when it will break. Okay. Let's head outside. Where should I dig the mine? I'll do it right by this block. And I'll do it so it goes underneath the house, and then later on I might be able to make it into a basement, which would be pretty cool. Hope I run into some stone. Oh, ran into gravel. And I forgot what that's called. I'll think of it. I think it's andesite. Ooh, new recipes. Okay, let's have a look. Oh no, diorite. That's right, I think the andesite one is the slightly greenish one. I need a shovel. Stone! Oh wait, I could have just used a shovel for that. Wish I knew that earlier. Wish I had torches. I'll be able to make torches soon. Get enough to make a furnace, and then enough for stone, tools and weapons. Now I can use the basement for storage. Okay. I think I made the gap a little too big. Oh well. Close the doors. And got enough. Alright guys, I was interrupted. So, where were we? Right, making a furnace. There we go, we've got a furnace. And, oh, no, can't do that just yet. I need to burn some logs. Put that there, and now we're making some charcoal. Awesome. Sorry guys, I realized I had the sound off, so hopefully you'll be able to hear the sound effects. Now we've got some charcoal. And there. So, put 2 in there. And then I can make 8 torches. So we'll put 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. Let's put some on the outside. Okay. There, 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 here, and there. Right, I need to get some more wood. Oh, we've got a mine now, so we can just mine until we find some more, until we find some coal. So here we go. I thought I had meat. Never mind guys, let's go on another game. Okay. Let's start making a spare pickaxe. Since I'll probably be mining for a while. And it's sunrise. And moonset. Now I just have to keep remembering where I put what's on the other side. So I just did a full loop. Made myself dizzy. Well, at least it's kind of lit up the place. So, yeah. In the next episode, guys, I will be mining for some coal for a while. And then we'll be able to go out and get some meat. So, that's all for today, guys. Please remember to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed this video. So, see ya!